Come, please, come. Kuja. Kindly, I am a professor in stealing and criminology. So come, don't be afraid. We are professionals, eh? Kindly have a seat. Because I don't want to harm you. I just want you to cooperate very well. Because if you don't, this will force you to cooperate, eh? Are you okay? Okay, now, what do you have that can be stolen? What do you have? You have the phone, right? Bring it. I can see you have a very, very beautiful wig. Please bring it out. Please don't be afraid. Your safety is our priority. Eh? We do things professionally. Bring the wig. What else do you have that can be stolen? What is your name, kindly, so that we can register you? Oh, you are a good client, eh? I can see that. Please, we need you tomorrow. So what else do you have? Okay, you only had this. Please don't tell anyone, because if you do, we can harm you. Kindly leave.